Just woke up, and for today, we'll be doing 10k steps. So in order for us to get 10k steps, I'll be commuting from Dasma, from here in Piala to HSI. So it's 6:46. I'm running a bit late to commute, so I'll wash up muna. Then I'll head out. Then I'll vlog the rest of the way out. So see you guys later. Okay guys, so medyo malapit na tayo sa trike. Sasakay muna ako trike, then sasakay ako jeep. Usually wala naman lakad na. Ayun, babalik na lang kita mag-vlog. Good morning kuya. Babalik na lang ulit ako mag-vlog ako mamaya. Pag nakababa na ako na yung Tuesday. So, wala kayo.
Hello, I'm going, and right now I want to accomplish 10k steps, and I'm currently at my car. So yesterday I got 9.1k steps without even trying, and now I want to try hard, and hopefully I can accomplish that 10k steps. So come here to my journey.
Hello guys! Come join me as I try to reach 10,000 steps today. Magko-commit ako, so I think I have an advantage. I am using a smartwatch and also yung health app sa phone ko to track my steps. Currently, I'm 100 steps kasi kakasuot ko lang yung smartwatch.
Madali na ako. Nag-book ako ng joyride. What I like to do while waiting is to walk. Walk lang ako around here. Parating ko lang sa school. Nasa 1.7 siya, guys.
Since sa 5th floor pa yung classroom ko, I'm gonna take the stairs. Ang dagdag yung steps. So far, I'm really excited sa day na to kasi paisip ko na rin kung ilang steps na ba yung ng members and kung ano rin yung ways na ginagawa nila.
Okay guys, I'm back. So I just left my house back there. Little backstory. Actually, ever since first sem, I think, of first year, nagsimula na ako mag-commute. I mean, yeah, like this, walking from our house to sa labas ng gate, since dun yung sakayan ng trike palabas sa amin, and ayun, para makapunta rin sa jeep na dediretso sa Palapala. So mag-bid na lang ako mamaya pag nakarating, magbalapit na ako dun sa trike. So sana daw maka-10k tayo today. Hello guys, so I currently just arrived in HSI. After makababa ng jeep, actually, I'm walking right now from Lourdes up to Long. So I'll be right back, and I'm running late. Hopefully I can use the stairs. I took the stairs actually papakyat dito sa 5th floor since punong-puno yung elevator kanina. I think may added steps naman yun since I took the stairs, which I rarely do. And ayun na. See you guys na lang later.
Hi, this is Camille. So now, I'm taking the stairs to go down.
Step check, I'm now at 3k steps, so I still have 7k steps to go.
Pupunta na ako sa Lourdes, palabas. Na-realize ko lang na it's really peaceful to walk around here kasi maraming trees, no? Pwede ako mag-abang sa HSI, but I chose not to kasi usually I wait for like 30 minutes to 1 hour. I realized na it's also about making informed decisions. Lalo na if aware ka na, oh, you have to reach a certain steps per day. So you will have to do something. Nakarating ko lang sa Vermosa. Dito ko magjo-jogging. And fit check!
I'm at 7,000 steps na, 3k na lang, and makakomplete ko na yung 10,000 steps.
Currently running guys. Let's do that 10k. Let's go! Okay, let's go. $5K guys, let's go. Only halfway there.
8K guys. Hopefully, I'll approach that 10K soon. See you in a bit.
Hello guys, sana rinig ako kasi nakabukas yung electric fan ko kasi may init. So time check, 7:57 naman siguro. So ayun, bad news, hindi ako nakapag-vlog nung naglakad ako around the school to buy food, as well as nung pauwi na. Hindi ko na vlog yung lakad ko, pero hopefully na-track ng pedometer natin. Since naglakad naman ako all the way from HSI up till Walter, and then nag-jeep, then konting lakad ulit, then jeep naman pa sa amin, then trike, tas naglakad na ako papuntang bahay. So hopefully na-count siya ng pedometer. Sadly, this is gonna be the last video or last vlog. Hopefully sa magiging result na makikita natin sa pedometer ko mamaya, naka at least 7K or 8K man lang. Kasi since I think siya abot ng 10. But we'll see. Bye guys.
Usually listen to music na upbeat and feel good music lang to motivate me to walk more. What I also like about this place is maraming trees, no? So makakonnect ka talaga with nature. I want to challenge myself na mag-reach ng 5 kilometers kasi last time 4 kilometers yung na-reach ko. So let's see. So dahan-dahan lang kasi syempre, diba? Mag-set ka na expectations na kaya mo talagang gawin. So far, so good pa naman. I'm still feeling excited and optimistic about reaching 5 kilometers. Hindi ko na natatrack yung steps ko. But hopefully naka 10K na tayo. Inabutan na nga ako ng gabi, no? Stayable pa rin. Tapos 1 hour na. And naka 5 kilometers tayo today. I'm so happy.
Hello guys, so welcome back. So ayun nga, nakita ko na yung steps ko sa health app sa App Store. I mean sa iPhone. So screenshot ko na lang siya gamit ng tablet since di ko siya masisingit dito sa video. Pero yun nga, di man tayo nakaabot ng 10K steps for today. Hopefully soon enough, this video and health promotion would be one of signs of motivation and discipline for me to continue. Since ayun, pakita ko sa inyo, from average steps ko na 5,248, nagkaroon ng significant increase nung nagising ako ng maaga, nag-commute ako and naglakad ako na medyo malayo. So naging 7,900 siya, almost close to 8K. So like 2K steps na lang din, no? So that ends our day in the life of a PT student who commutes, and hopefully soon enough would be able to walk 10K. Bye guys.
So guys, I'm back and I achieved 10K steps. So it's actually quite easy and it's fun. So I hope you try it. It's one way to start a new journey in your life, a healthy lifestyle. So I hope you enjoy the vlog and see you later.
Oh my gosh! 14K steps tayo. Even better than I expected. Natin is to reach 10,000, but naka 14,000 tayo. And na-achieve natin yung sinet nating goal na 5 kilometers. So I am really happy about that. To be honest, nakakapagod talaga siya. Masakit siya sa paa. Lalo na if yung average steps mo lang per week or per day is nasa 3,000, 4,000. And tinitry mong i-achieve yung 10,000. So mahirap talaga siya. In order to change your behavior, you need to gradually adjust yourself, no? Kasi it is a commitment. It will require effort, energy, time, but if it's for our health, so we are going to make an effort, no, to be physically active and have a healthy lifestyle. I enjoy this experience and I will definitely do it every day. Thank you guys for watching my vlog. I hope na may natutunan kayo.